Okay, I thought I'd just do a quick video on just basically never know what you can get when you're buying a used gun. So I bought this old 870. The stock and the blue and everything was pretty good on it. It's made in the late 80s. As you can see, it's not too bad, but I'm taking it apart to clean it because it is used. As you can see, it's really, really dirty. The bolt. But yeah, anyway, I took it apart to disassemble it. So I got to the magazine tube here. If I can find it, I don't have a helper. As you can see, the follower in there, it's spring loaded. So I'm going to take out the spring and everything and clean up in there. So like I said, with a used gun, you never know what you're going to get. So you don't know if it's got the retainer in here or not. So I was careful while unscrewing this to make sure, in case it was just against the cap here. And I take it off, and the spring didn't come out, but now look in the end of it here, and what that looks like to me, it's a magazine plug so it'll just hold 2 shells when you're bird hunting. So I take that, I had to pry that out of there. Hold on a minute, I'll get that out. It should just come right out. So I take it out. As you can see, the ends of it's chewed up. And then, but my spring's still not coming out, and there's no retainer on there. So let me get my flashlight here. So if you look down in there, you can see, if my flashlight will stay on, that somebody had pounded that magazine restrictor, whatever you want, that magazine plug to hold 2 rounds, and they shoved the retainer all the way down the tube. So now I gotta somehow get that thing out of there. Spring's in there, it's underneath, it's been compressed that long. So anyway, I just thought I'd share some of the problems you come in with buying a used gun. I'll do a video on the complete takedown and disassembly and the reassembly of this once I get it all cleaned up and everything.